Hi everyone, I'm Alara Vane and welcome back to my channel. If you've been thinking about trying Neotonics or have already started, you might be wondering how to make it a seamless part of your daily routine. In today's video, I'll show you how simple it is to incorporate this amazing supplement into your lifestyle and get the best results. Let's start with why consistency is key. Neotonics is designed to improve your skin and digestion by targeting your gut health with probiotics and nourishing your skin with collagen-boosting ingredients. To see the full benefits, it's important to take it every day. How do you use Neotonics? It's super easy. Just take one gummy per day, preferably in the morning. You can pair it with your breakfast or take it on its own with a glass of water. The delicious fruity flavor makes it something you'll actually look forward to. My tips for making it a habit. Heavy checkmark, set a reminder. If you're prone to forgetting, set a daily alarm on your phone or place the Neotonics bottle somewhere you'll see it, like your kitchen counter or next to your toothbrush. Heavy checkmark, pair it with another routine. For example, take your gummy right after brushing your teeth or during your morning coffee. Pairing it with an existing habit makes it easier to stick with. Heavy checkmark, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps the probiotics in Neotonics work effectively while keeping your skin hydrated and radiant. Personally, I've found that taking Neotonics in the morning has helped me stay consistent, and I started noticing visible changes within just a few weeks. My skin looks brighter, and my digestion feels smoother, proof that small daily habits can lead to big transformations. If you haven't tried Neotonics yet, now's the perfect time to start. Click the link in the description to order your bottle today. Let me know in the comments if you've already started using Neotonics and how it's working for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new review or health tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.